Hello and welcome to Affinity. Sometimes just an ordinary curve isn't quite right. We need to do something slightly different. So let's have a look at the W curve. For this, in this picture, what we've got is we've got some midtones that perhaps could be boosted a bit. We've got a lot of kind of light behind there, and the darks, well, I'm not so sure. So let's try this, where we bring up a curves window. There we go, that panel there. Now then, if we pull this up the middle here, the midtones and things around here, this is better. But the lights, well, it's overdoing it. There's quite a lot anyway. And the darks we'd like to hold back as well. So we simply pull down the lights to bring those back. And pull down the darks to darken them a little bit more. And then we can play with this again. And we get quite a different effect. So what we got here, oops, excuse me. There we go. Is something that looks like the letter W. Yeah? Kind of. It's a letter. We can call it the W curve. Because we've pulled the darks down, so the darks are a bit darker, so there's more contrast. In particular, this piece of the curve here, so which is going from midtones into shadows, got a steeper curve, so that is more contrastive. Yeah, so we can even bring that down a bit, play it with where it works. We've got less contrast change up here, and the lights are pulled down here, so the lights are a bit darker. So we darken the sky off. We don't need all that light back there. And it depends how much we put in. Obviously that's going to be too much, but we can play around with that W shape to our heart's content. But this is the overall effect. You can see what's happening here. These figures here are thrown into a lot more contrastive shapes, and sky is not so intrusive, and the darks are darkened down as well. So there we go. There's the W curve. Sometimes it's the sort of thing you just want. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.